आज है 26 जुलाई और कल का ब्लॉग एंड करने के बाद मैं और बो भाई बैठ के डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि आज का ब्लॉग कैसे बनाएंगे, जहाँ पे हम लोगों को होटल्स के बारे में, खाने की जगह के बारे में, बाइक रेंटल के बारे में और नियर बाई प्लेसेस एंड वेट यू शुड गेट योर मोटरसाइकिल फॉर सर्विसिंग वॉट एवर मोटरसाइकिल्स यू गेट, एंड कौन से ब्रांड के शोरूम्स यहाँ पे अवेलेबल हैं और कौन से ब्रांड्स के नहीं हैं। अगर ये टॉपिक सब कुछ मैं एक ही टाइम पे लेता हूँ तो लिटरली इट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल, ओके, क्योंकि 100% हम नहीं दे सकते। इसलिए क्योंकि मोटरसाइकिल बाइक रेंटल और सर्विसिंग ले बाइकिंग यूनियन के मेरे पास बहुत सारे सवाल आए, तो आज का टॉपिक होगा अबाउट मोटरसाइकिल रेंटल एंड व्हाट आर द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस, और कहाँ पे जाके आप नियर बाई कौन से शोरूम्स हैं और कहाँ पे जाके आप गाड़ी सर्विसिंग करा सकते हो, कौन से ब्रांड के शोरूम्स इधर अवेलेबल हैं। तो वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल गाइस, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर जर्नी टुडे।
We will do a normal talk.
Normal. See, what we are doing is we are trying to give information. This is Biju Bhai from Classic Bike Ladakh and one of the key members. And regarding Classic Bike, these were the pioneers who started international motorcycle tours in India. Where when I was starting, my boss John. First of all, the reason what I know and what people will also get to know is the reason motorcycle bike union, it started from 2009.
Yeah.
Okay,
Nine.
2009 it started,
Yeah.
and then the rule came after 2010.
Yeah.
2010 the rule came that once anybody rents out a motorcycle from Delhi or Manali or Chandigarh,
Yeah.
comes to Leh, can't use their rented motorcycle to go to Nubra Valley or Pangong.
The reason behind this was like to give support to the local people. Okay?
True.
Because of the short season. Okay. So
True.
people, those who were like working with these motorbike tours,
Yeah.
for their support,
Mm-hmm.
the union came in form.
True.
In 2009. I joined the union in 2014, and the rules really implemented really harsh or whatever you can say after 2013.
Yeah. The Manali and Leh.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah.
No, that is not 2013. That is 2015.
No, 2013. 2013
15, 16.
it started. 2013 it started,
Yeah.
but the high time was like in 2015.
15.
Right. Then the two union had some problems
Right.
in 15 also,
Mm.
even in 16 also.
Mm-hmm.
When I was president in 2019, same thing happened
Mm-hmm.
regarding the two unions. So at a couple of meetings, then you conclude, okay, this we can give you a space or whatever, okay,
Mm-hmm.
to the routes.
Mm.
The problem was routes. The Manali people, what they say, allow our motorbikes to Nubra and Pangong.
See, basically, we are not trying to go in depth. We just want the viewers to understand what is the preparation they need to do when they have to come to Leh.
Okay, the bike should be on the name of the rider,
Mm-hmm.
okay, or pillion rider.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Whatever, if you have a pillion rider
Mm.
behind you,
Mm-hmm.
the bike is on the pillion riders, you are allowed to go anywhere in Ladakh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm.
If it is not in your name,
Mm-hmm.
then you are not allowed. For example, you come with your friend's bike, it is not allowed.
Mhm.
Okay. Or your mother's sides.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yeah, uncle, aunt.
Aunt.
Uh-huh.
Okay, cannot. Like what we say Indian Mamaji,
Uh-huh.
okay, Phupaji, like that. The surnames are not same.
Uh-huh.
You are not allowed. Okay.
Okay.
If your blood relation, for
Uh-huh.
example, Junaid, your father's bike is there, you can ride in Ladakh. Okay.
Okay.
It
So
is-
it is only the blood relatives, like a brother.
From father's side. Okay.
Yeah, father side.
Okay.
So it is my father,
Okay.
my father's bike I can ride.
Right.
My bike my brother can ride.
Yes.
My mother's bike
You can.
I can ride,
Okay.
or my father can ride, or
Yeah.
my anyone can
Right.
ride,
That's
or
all.
my kid's name. Okay. So it is only the blood relative registration number. If the vehicle is registered on their name, we are allowed to come to Ladakh.
Yes.
Okay. Second point, if I purchase a motorcycle, I'm a foreign nationalist. Okay. I purchase a motorcycle, I come, I have a sale receipt, I have a 2930 form, and I come with all these things? Because I can't travel, I can't transfer the motorcycle on my
I
name.
want to clear you one thing.
Hmm.
A foreigner cannot buy, can buy, but cannot register a bike on his name.
Yes.
In India, the rule is that.
Yes.
So that means the bike belongs to the other guy.
Other guy.
So he cannot travel in Ladakh with that motorbike. He can come from Manali to Leh,
Mhm.
but he cannot go to inner line routes. Okay.
Inner line routes.
Yeah, inner line routes. I'm talking of highway is open.
Okay.
To be very clear with you, the highway, the national highway is closed,
Mhm.
open from Manali to Leh or Leh to Srinagar.
Mhm.
Okay, the inner line. I'm talking about inner line.
Inner line, to be conclusive, inner line is
Nubra,
Nubra,
Pangong,
Pangong,
Somorili,
Somorili,
Sokar.
Sokar,
That's all.
Zanskar.
Zanskar, you can.
You can go without.
You
You can
can,
go.
can.
There is no
No
requirement.
requirement.
And there's a new news about Kargil Union
There is no news for Kargil Union up to right now.
up till now.
No,
Okay.
no news. Because in Kargil there are very few rentals, like
Right.
1 or 2 companies, and they have 7 or 8 motorbikes, that's all,
Mm-hmm.
as far as I know.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you can, if you rent a motorbike from Kargil, you can go to Manali, Nubra or wherever.
Huh.
Because the both unions, they are affiliated together, okay?
As Ladakh Biking Union.
Yes.
So I can rent out a bike in Kargil and
Can,
go to
can because now the relation between Kargil and since
UT.
yeah,
Yeah. So you can. So if I'm coming from Srinagar, I can rent out a motorcycle from there and I can go anywhere.
yeah.
Okay. And regarding if I have to rent out a motorcycle from here and go to Manali.
Rent a motorbike from here to Manali.
Right.
Right now the situation in 2021
Uh,
for the both unions,
right.
the relation is not good.
Okay.
Okay. There was a big problem in even in 19, 18, 17, but we solved it.
Uh,
But this time it went up to the limit. Okay.
okay.
So they said what they said Manali Bike Union. They said if you want to travel to Manali or
Cross Sarchu.
cross Sarchu, you have to allow Manali Bike Union to all the motorbikes to Pangong and
Nubra.
Nubra. We have to give the route to them
Uh,
for
Pangong
Pangong and
and
Nubra, which is not possible.
Because you have got a very short.
We have very short season,
Hmm.
and these are two destinations people traveling with motorbikes.
Yes.
Majority of 90,
Majority,
I
90%.
said 90% of the motorbikers they go to these two destinations.
Mm.
If we give the permission to them, if we allow the motorbikes from Manali to go to Nubra and Pangong, our business is gone.
Okay. So now coming to the next question. The rates. Is it decided by the union
It is decided by the union.
and it should be sticking to the union rates?
Yes.
Okay. So every year it changes.
Not every year. I tell you. 2017 we increased some 5%.
Because when I was taking as a motorcycle tour guide, okay, when I was working with the union, when I was taking rental, every year there was a fluctuation of rate.
No. Since last 3 years there is no.
Maybe last 3 years, because 2 years there was nothing.
What I'm telling you, since last 3 years the rates are same, but for the next year
Huh.
it is changed
Okay. So.
because of the so many things.
Mhm.
Okay, the registration fees of the
Mhm.
motorbikes,
Mhm.
9%,
Mhm.
the cost of the motorbike,
Mhm.
and the price of the motorbikes are gone like anything.
True. The accesses.
You know it.
Yeah.
The Himalayan, it started from 1,54,000. Now till date it is 2,08,000 or 10.
See, that
To
is
like 10,000,
universal.
okay.
Means India whole from the last budget,
Because why?
everything has increased.
Because the rates, you talk about rates. Okay, rates has been same since last 3 years.
Yeah.
Okay, the same rate. But in 2021, the
Hmm.
new president, our new president,
Hmm.
Mr. Yontan, he changed the price of the day-to-day rental,
Uh-huh.
and now it is. I don't know how much is the price,
Hmm.
but price has gone up for the 2022.
But there is one more question what I have.
Sure.
Okay. What is the responsibility of a customer once he rents out a motorcycle from you? Is one.
That's a big issue. That's a big, I mean to say like debate. Okay, I can say like that.
No,
That's
no.
a big
What
deal.
happens is there are people. I've gone through cases. Okay, as a guide, as a bike rental guy, as a I've been on the both the sides. Okay, so when a person comes and picks up a motorcycle, okay, rental motorcycle, when he comes and picks up, he has to give his ID, he
Okay.
has to give a advance, and he has to tell the route, and he has to give tell the delivery date.
Okay. That's
Okay,
That's
that's the normal thing.
That's true.
And before he picks up that motorcycle, he has to check the motorcycle, which the
Thoroughly.
thoroughly.
I say thoroughly. He has to check the motorbike, and he has to he has to see some parts of the motorbike. Okay,
Uh,
like the tanks, the chains. Okay,
Yeah.
if there is any damage, he has to inform them.
yes, there should be a. I think there should be a checklist, which has to be signed by the rental company and the customer.
What they do now these days, okay,
Mm.
they take a picture.
Ah.
If there's a dent
Mm.
or there's a scratch
Uh,
or something is there wrong,
Mm.
what both of the I mean to say like the
Parties.
okay.
Mm.
For the first one is like the rental bike guy,
Mhm.
and the other one is like
The customer.
the customer who's taking the rent bike for
Okay.
rent.
Right.
Both of them they take the pictures.
Uh,
Everybody has Android phone.
Yeah.
Or they take a picture. Okay.
Uh.
This tank has a one damage here.
Uh.
This seat cover has
Stone.
torn or whatever.
Uh.
Okay. And they take a picture, and then at the end when they finish the tour,
it should be remains the same.
same.
Okay.
The
Now-
rule is that.
Yeah, but now I am talking about experience perspective. I pick up a motorcycle. I go when I'm riding. I've taken a group of bikes. I'm riding. All of a sudden, I check the motorcycle thoroughly. It is working fine. Okay, it is working fine. I start my ride from here with my group. Okay, we go to
Nubra, okay.
Pangong.
Okay.
Okay, well, on the way, near Changla, descending from Changla to Tangse and Durbuk, okay, the motorcycle wheel starts to move. We reached Tangse, removed the wheel bearing is broken. Okay, bearing is broken, we'll change the bearing. But the reason of wheel bearing getting broken, there was no spacer in between.
Yeah, this can happen. This can happen.
This has happened. This has
can
happened.
happen. I can say. This
Yeah.
can happen.
So, this is why I asked you this question. What is the responsibility of a bike rental guy, and what is the responsibility of the customer? Liabilities and responsibilities.
See, first of all, I cannot talk about the whole rental people. Okay.
No, I'm just. You have a rental.
Yeah, I have a rental. See, my rental and their rental is different.
Yeah, they are into customers.
Customers,
You're into classic motorcycles.
I give it only to Peter. Okay.
Yeah, Peter.
So my rental is different. I have two mechanics
Yeah.
for 25 miles, round the clock working for us.
Yeah.
Okay. And the rental companies in Ladakh, they have one mechanic or two mechanics working
Only for season to season.
season to season.
Yeah.
So they rent their bikes for day-to-day rents.
Day to day rents and
And then as a rider,
Mm.
you know it can happen like a breakdown.
yeah, and
like-
the kind of customers they take it and they would have never ridden a motorcycle before.
Definitely.
And they have a driving license.
Yes. No, 100% people without driving license, you don't rent.
Yeah, and
That
another
is the
thing,
rule, okay.
another thing, like for the audience who are watching this, I'll tell you, today the situation over here is you don't have bikes like available the way they were available before. The amount of tourists has come in, and there's huge.
After this pandemic, everybody wants to go out.
Yeah,
So
there
that's-
are.
that's-
I
the-
think
the town
they
is
don't
full of-
even get a time to check the motorcycle. One guy comes, rides the motorcycle, delivers the motorcycle. The next guy takes it up and
For example,
goes.
you have taken a bike for a couple of days, right?
Yeah.
Then you come in the late afternoon. So the rental guy has a very short span of time. Okay.
To give to another customer.
Yeah, yeah.
And there,
Yes.
every day there are so many tourists coming in, and they don't have sufficient bikes to rent.
You know, it's a very tough job
Yeah.
to rent a bike. Okay, for day to day.
Yeah.
It's a really tough job
Mhm.
for rental.
Mm.
because he has to maintain so many things,
Yeah.
and depends upon the rider also.
Yes.
How the style of riding is there.
Yes.
Okay. And as you know, you are a good rider. You know.
The kind of riders come.
Yeah, on the road. Okay.
Yes.
You see many riders. They know.
People want to just come to Ladakh and take a photograph on a motorcycle.
I want to advise those who come to Ladakh, they should know little about
Basic
riding
skills. I'm telling you this
And
problem
then-
we are facing from
And I see
the day one.
this is not fault of Ladakh rentals. They provide helmets with them
Yeah.
to the participants, but what they do, they tie the helmet
Behind. And they don't even wear the helmet. They will never even buy the riding gear. The Ladakh Biking Rental Union have provided at least the basic rental riding gear. Protection.
Basics, protection. You cannot say
But
riding gears, but protection.
Protection.
Okay. Like
Because
armor,
it can't be
armor, knee
armor,
or
knee.
a helmet.
Yeah.
But
And they are
I
charging
see,
minimal rental, right?
Yeah, very 100 rupees for armors, and helmet is free with the bike,
Yeah.
with the rent. But still, I see our own people riding without helmets.
So it is not only the bike union, it is also the people who are coming and renting out motorcycles. They have to also be educated for this.
Exactly.
And hope we have covered majority of the topic for now. अगर उसमें कुछ छूट गया हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दो, अगले व्लॉग में उसे कवर कर लेंगे. Any last thoughts?
Welcome to Ladakh. जो टूरिस्ट लद्दाख आए, ride safe and be sensible. Sensible,
responsible.
Sensible and responsible. That's all.
Yeah.
Thank you, Julie.
जुले जी. That's what. आगे के लिए बस आज के लिए बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं कल शाम को अगेन 9 बजे अनदर एपिसोड.